Hello everyone, welcome to JAR channel. Today we are going to share with you what to cook for tomorrow. A lot of friends are asking whether we can share some easy homemade dish. Let us share with you a dish which is good for kids and elderly. Fish fillet with cream corn sauce. Hope you like it too. For ingredients, we'll need some fish fillet and cream corn, 1 egg. Is that easy? Well, you can get the details at the end of our video too. First, thaw the frozen fish and then clean it. Then, we chop each large piece of fish into 3 to 4 small pieces, around 1 inch size. After chopping the fish, use salt, cornstarch, white pepper, sugar, light soy sauce. And then add a bit of oil and marinate the fish for 15 to 20 minutes. We've used this type of fish fillet this time. You can take it as a reference. After 10 to 15 minutes, the marinated fish might have some water left. Now we can pour the water first. And then now we can add the egg white. Remember to save the egg yolk for the cream corn sauce later. Mix the egg white evenly on the fish. After the egg white is completely absorbed into the fish, now we can powder the fish with cornstarch. Remove excess powder by patting it lightly. Repetitively powder each piece of fish. Prepare a hot wok and add some oil. The amount of oil is a little more than usual for frying. When oil is hot, place the skin of the fish down. Fry for about 2 to 3 minutes, then reverse and fry it on the other side. When both sides are fried until golden brown, it can be set aside. And we are now going to make the sauce. Pour the whole pack of cream-style corn into the wok and add about half a cup of water. Add a suitable amount of salt. Slowly stir and mix well. When the sauce is boiling, add the egg yolk that has been beaten well. After stirring slightly, add the fish. Be noted that there is more sauce in this dish since it's served well with rice. Here we go! This easy dish of fish with cream corn sauce is now done. Feel free to try this at home. Whatever served with plain rice or spaghetti is also good and tasty. If you like this yummy fish fillet with cream corn sauce, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And don't forget to click the bell next to it, and you will receive our next video at once. Thank you once again for watching this video. We'll share with you next time what to cook for tomorrow. See you again and have a nice weekend.